Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to KB Studios. Today we got a video that sucks. So you can see, had a little bit of a issue here. I'm not really sure why this happened, but it looks like, I guess the axle, I don't really have a solid axle, but the wheel just broke off of this, just snapped that right there. Thankfully, it happened back here. I was just coming home, and literally, like, we're not even 30 feet from the entrance to the ranch, our gate right there. Just coming down this hill, you can see where the skid mark starts over there. It just snapped off, and I slid, hit the brakes, managed to get halfway off the road, which is good, but oh man, this sucks. Yep, destroyed my wheel light. That's nice. Oh man, I don't know what it did to my lift kit. Thankfully, I don't think it hurt the body of my truck. So that's good, but geez, man. This is a bummer. Well, yeah. See all the hub assembly and everything still there. It just snapped it, man. I don't even know how we're gonna get this up to our property. I don't know, because you can't put the wheel back on. Well, yeah. This is just, I guess, what happens sometimes, you know? It's a bummer, but best thing you can do is try to stay positive. Just get it fixed. Do what you gotta do. So that's what I'm gonna do. It sucks, but all right. Well, just a little KB Studios update and my truck. All right.